Hello everyone, in this session we are going to show you how you can configure gradebook in OpenEducate. For that you have entered into the system using your username and password. I am entering my username and password. You can click on login. Wait a moment. Click on main menu. Click on gradebook to enter into the gradebook. This is the main screen of the gradebook. For gradebook, 4 steps are important. First one, configuration. Second, how to assign the grading template to particular that course. Third one, how to create the gradebook. And fourth one, how to create the grading assignment. But for that, you have to first create the academic year and academic term. For that, you have to enter into the OpenEducate. You can click on configuration, click on academic year to create the academic year. Here already academic years are created. You can use any of them or you can create your own like that. Then click on the academic term to create the academic term. Here already academic terms are created. You can use any of them. Now again click on the gradebook to enter the gradebook. Now first step is configuration. You can click on configuration and you can click on assignments type to create the assignment type. You can click on create to create the assignments type. Here you have to give the name, code of that assignment type. For the demo purpose, I am giving that name homework demo code and I am selecting that type as a subjective. You can click on save to save that assignment type. Now again click on configuration and you can click on grade scale to create that grade scale. You can click on create and give the name of that grade scale. For the demo purpose, I am giving that name as grade scale demo. You can click on add a line. You have to give the grade type. Give the name of that grade type. I am giving that name A+. If you want to earn credits, then you have to click on that checkbox. You have to give the GPA as per the A+. You have to give the minimum percentage, maximum percentage. If you want to include the GPA, then you have to click on that checkbox. You can click on save and close to save that grade type and you can click on save to save that grade scale. Now third, again click on configuration and you can click on grade table to create the grade table. Here already grade tables are created. You can use any of them or you can create your own. And next is create the grade template. You can click on grade template and you can click on create to create the grade template. I am giving that name grade template demo. Click on add a line. Academic year, you have to choose the academic year. You have to choose the weightage type. Here I am choosing assignment type weightage. Choose the terms. I am choosing that term first semester. Click on add a line. Assignment type, I am choosing this homework demo and giving the weightage 100% and click on save and close. And you can click on save to save that grade template. In this way, you can configure your assignment type, grade scale, grade table and grade template. Now second step is how to assign the grading template to particular that course. For that you have to enter into the course. Here already courses are created. You can use any of them or you can create or your own. If you have any query regarding with the creation of course, then you can watch the earlier video. We have already discussed that how you can create the particular course. Here I am considering this course Bachelor of Science. Wait a moment. Here already name, code, evaluation type, fees term and subjects are given. Here we have to assign the grading template to particular that course, means I have to assign the final grade. I am used that grade scale demo and I have to assign the grade template. Click on add a line and I am assigning that grade template demo. You can click on select and you can click on save to save that particular thing. Now click on the main menu. You can click on the gradebook to again enter into the gradebook. Means two steps are cleared. First configuration and second how to assign that grading template to particular that course. Now step number 3, how to create that gradebook. For that you can click on gradebook. You can click on the create to create the particular student's gradebook. I am selecting that student. It's Jayesh Patel and academic year which is 2021-2022 and you can click on save to save that gradebook. Means third step is clear, then how you can create that gradebook. And now step number 4, then how you can create the grading assignment. For that you can click on grading assignment to create the grading assignment. You can click on create to create that grading assignment and you have to provide that name of that grading assignment. For demo purpose I am giving that name assignment number 001. Give the name of that issued date. I am giving that name 3rd March. Assignment type, it's a homework demo. Faculty, there's one. Academic year 2021-22. Term, first semester. Course which we used earlier as Bachelor of Science and subject, it's physics and grade. I'm using that point and I'm giving that points 50 and you can click on save to save that grading assignment. Now you can click on publish to publish that grading assignment. Now you have to go the close for the submission. You can click on grading started and you can click on start grading. You will get the list of the students to whom you have to assign that marks. You have to give that marks. I am giving that marks 49 and you can click on save to save that marks. Now you can click on gradebook. Now you can click on Jayesh M. Patel. Now this is the list of the students to whom we are assigning the marks. You can click on in progress. You can click on publish and you can click on generate final grade. In this way you will get the report, gradebook of that particular student. Means here we are getting the gradebook of that student which is the Piyush M. Patel. Now for getting the more clarification about the gradebook, I have added more 2 subjects in the backend, so you will get more idea about it. Now you can click on the gradebook. Now you can click on gradebook. Here you can click on that student's name is Jayesh M. Patel. Now you can click on the recompute and now you can click on the gradebook to generate that student's gradebook. Here you will get the view of that gradebook with assignment summary. If you don't want that assignment summary, then you can untick it also. Now you can click on the gradebook. Now we want to print and download that student's report card. So you can click on that student's name. Here you will get that student's gradebook, but now you want to print and download it. So you can click on that print and you can click on that gradebook. Now that gradebook is downloading. Here you will get that view of that report card. Now if you want to print that transcript, then you can click on that transcript button. Now that transcript is downloading and you will get that view of this transcript. In this way you can print both report card and transcript. That's all for this video. Do like, share and subscribe to our channel. Stay tuned for more such learning videos. To try our free demo, you can visit our website openeducate.org. Thank you.